UKG, please open your book, this one, Numeracy Skills 1. Open the book and the first chapter, page number is 5. The chapter is shapes. In this chapter, you will learn about shapes. So first work is write the number of squares and color them. Now look at the board. This is the shape of a square. This shape is called square. And here you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 squares. Now see in your book, there is a blank for you. Number of squares. You have to write here the number of squares. You can see there are 4 squares. So write here 4. And then read this headline. Trace the dotted lines to complete the rectangles and color them in different colors. See in your book, there are many dots. So you have to connect the dots to recognize the shapes. When you connect all the dots, you can see the shapes will become a rectangle. And now turn the page number 6. Page number 6 and read the headline. Paste the stickers on the correct shadows and match with the shapes given. This is the sticker page. You also have this page in your book. And now see page number 6 properly. See, these are the shadows. These are the shadows and these are the stickers. So at first you have to match the shadows with the stickers. This is a ball and in the shadows you can see this one is in round shape. So this shadow is of the ball. So you have to put the stickers from the sticker page and then paste here. And in the similar way, you can fill all the shadows. And then, after paste the stickers, then you have to recognize the matching shapes. Like, see, this is a shadow of star, and here this is a picture of star. So you have to connect these two from here to here. And next, this is a shadow of triangle. And here, this is a picture of triangle, pink color. So just connect from here to here. Next, what is this? This looks like a rectangle. And see, here in blue color, there also have a rectangle. So just connect them. Next, this is a round shape, shadow of the ball, and here is also the same shape. So just connect them. And next, the last one, this is a square and this is also a square in green color. So just connect them. So thank you. This is the class of today. And if you will face any problem, then please contact.